we're at the Vexilar booth here looking at some of the cool things that are kind of released here for this upcoming season. And right here, we are looking at an addition to your Vexilar, or really pretty much any system. And I've got Dominic here. Dominic, tell me more about this.
Yeah, new this year we created a rod holder called the Glo-Ring. And this Glo-Ring has UV LED lights inside of it. So as you see here on this model that we have turned on, it's a rod holder, but if you have a jig on, you just drop it right through, charges it up really fast, maybe a couple seconds, and you're good to go. It mounts right to the slot on your rod holder for your Vexilar. And if you don't have that, say you have a Genz pack or maybe a different brand, we also include a bracket so you can screw it right into any carrying case out there. And as far as your power supply, it runs off of the charging cable from your Vexilar. We also include Alligator clamps if you have an older Vexilar model that does not have that charging cord. On and off switch, really efficient on your battery life as well too. It's going to be a really popular accessory this year. We're excited for it.
Yeah, very nice. If people want to find out more information about this, is there a spot they could go online to check them out?
Yep, they could go to Vexilar.com or check out your local sporting goods dealer.
That sounds great. We are at the Sioux Falls Ice Fishing Show.